Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Okay, we're going to get started with this 1962 Lotus Super 7 replica, listed for $65,900 US in New Haven, Connecticut. It's been driven 4,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description: custom built Lotus Super 7, all aluminum built small block Chevy, 4-speed automatic. It has a Corvette independent rear, coilover shocks, 500 plus horsepower, turnkey, no trades. And up next we have this 1939 Ford kit car, listed for $47,500 US in Naples, Florida. It's listed in used good condition, and from the seller's description: was in 6 inches of fresh water and the insurance company totaled it. I bought it, drove it home, has a rebuildable title in Florida, needs some minor work on the wiring for the doors to open. I have the parts but no time, needs a starter. Alright, here we have a 2013 Compania TRex, listed for $34,000 US in Coatesville, Pennsylvania. From the seller's description: 2013 street legal kit car, designed after a Compania TRex with the Aero 3S kit, registered and insured as a 2007 Compania TRex in Pennsylvania, 2007 Hayabusa 1300cc motorcycle engine with 9,800 miles, runs and drives, hydraulic sequential gearbox, some minor touch-ups and spider cracks. May consider a trade for a BMW M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, plus minus cash. Alright, I think this one looks pretty sweet. A 1963 Kellison J6 Panther, listed for $48,000 US in Newbury Park, California. It has a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description: 1963 Kellison J6 Panther, freshly built from tires to scoop, Chevy 327, new Tremec 6-speed, freeway gears for extremely high speed, double overdrive, 5th and 6th. Here we have a 2014 FiberFab Adventure, listed for $15,000 US in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's been driven 95,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description: 2014 FiberFab Adventure Coupe GT, 5-speed, VW chassis, 1800cc VW motor, dual exhaust, no trades, can ship worldwide. Hey everyone, I just want to interject for about 30 seconds here. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Alright, let's get back to the vehicles. Alright, here we have a 1937 Ford GT Coupe listed for $58,000 US in Northport, Florida. It has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1937 Ford 3-window coupe, a wild rod kit by O's, Florida titled, custom frame, 383 Chevy stroker crate motor, 700 R4 transmission, Ford rear end, Mustang 2 front suspension, vintage air conditioning system, may trade for 70s muscle car or 90s JDM. And here we have a 1972 Thoroughbred Tiger Roadster listed for $10,500 US in La Marque, Texas. It's been driven 9,400 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1972 Thoroughbred Tiger Roadster kit car, 4-speed manual, VW powered 1641cc, clean title, engine just rebuilt, new tires, new battery, runs and drives great, easily do 80 miles per hour on highway. Okay, here we have a 1965 Shelby Cobra 427, listed for $47,500 US in Bloomington, Illinois. It's been driven 14,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1965 Shelby Cobra 427 replica, runs and drives amazing, zero issues with this car, everything works flawlessly, factory 5 kit car, all fiberglass body, Ford built 302 V8 engine, Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, 8.8 rear end with 373 gears, Edelbrock nitrous system, front disc brakes, rear drum, can ship anywhere in the US, $47,500 or best offer. Alright, here we have a 1985 Ferrari F40, listed for $20,000 US in St. Petersburg, Florida. Driven 89,000 miles, has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, Ferrari kit car, replica of the iconic $3.5 million Ferrari F40 supercar, built on a Fiero platform, 2.8 liter V6, runs and drives excellent. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1935 Packard Roadster kit car, listed for $3,500 US in Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's been driven 91,535 miles, has an automatic transmission, and listed in good condition. From the seller's description, was sitting in a garage for many years. It's a kit car, fiberglass body on a stretched 1976 Chevy C10 two-wheel drive frame with a 1976 Buick V6 3.8 231 cubic inch odd fire engine, runs, drives, stops, needs some work to be a done driver, but I drove it for 20 minutes around my house no problem. No title, bill of sale only. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.